Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to keep Microsoft Teams always available. So to start, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. Next, go to the left side menu and open or click Calendar or Meet. So once you click Calendar at the top right corner, select Meet Now. So give the meeting any name you want, then click Start Meeting. So you don't need to invite anyone, just join the meeting by yourself. After you've entered the meeting, so leave it running in the background while you continue with your work. So your status is much less likely to change to away due to inactivity. So for best results, make sure your computer doesn't go to sleep. If your PC enters sleep mode or Teams closes, your status can still change automatically. So you can adjust your computer's power and sleep settings to keep it awake while you're working. If you no longer need to keep your status available, simply end the meeting and the Teams will return to managing your status normally. And that's it. That's how you can keep your Microsoft Teams status showing as available. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.